Hello my friends, and in this video I'm going to be sharing how to create a template in your corporate Gmail account. Not sure if you knew this, but sometimes we have to send constant emails that have about the same information. Let's say that you want to send a response, let's say that you had to send an update. Why not optimize what you do and leverage some of the power that you have in your Google Workspace? So the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go and configure the options. So we're going to go into the gear icon and we're going to go to all settings. And then we're going to go into advanced and we're going to enable an option in here called templates. What this will do after we save it, it will give us the capability that we can create actual template for our emails. So how do we do this? We go into the compose area and we create an email like we normally do. So I will just start creating here. I'll go template email for weekly updates. This is my weekly update, or whatever it is that you have to put in there. And then what we're gonna do is that right here on the bottom, let me move myself. Right here on the bottom, you have three little dots, and now you're gonna have an option for templates. And what you're gonna do is that you can actually save this email as a draft for template. Say draft, and when you go, you see it says save as a new template. All that we have to do is that we put a name, and now our draft email is ready to go. So let me get out of here. So now you see that it created an email in your draft folder. Let's say that now I'm ready to send the email. I just go and click compose. Now maximize it again. And now I can click templates. And now I have my weekly update template. And look what happened. Voila, all the information that was in the email now get added. So you see, if you have pictures, it's gonna add them twice. So make sure that you check your whole component. But now you have a full email that you can automate and get everything ready so you can be more successful. If you have any question, friend, please let me know.